guys, so today we are headed out to Abiqua Falls and we are meeting up with a whole bunch of our Instagram friends today. Some old friends, some new friends. So right now we're out at Scotts Mills. It's a little town in Oregon that's not far from Silverton, Oregon. We're meeting up with some of our friends that we've met through Instagram. I am gonna put all of the links to each one of their Instagram pages in the description below. So please make sure to click on the links, check out their Instagram pages. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along our journey today. We made it out to Abiqua Falls and we just got done hiking down this crazy gnarly muddy trail with a super sketchy beat up rope. As you can see in the video, we've got like 9 people with us today, so we're rolling deep in the woods, and now we're like strolling through this awesome little river on our way to what I hope is Abiqua Falls. We're just kind of like throwing darts in the wind and hoping that we make it there, but I have a pretty good feeling it's right up here. So we're gonna continue a little further up this trail and see where we end up.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
To Abiqua Falls, as you can see, pretty badass looking waterfall. So we're just out here wandering around and taking pictures right now. I was gonna launch a drone, but I wasn't getting a GPS signal, so I did it anyway. Popped it up in the air, going back and forth, getting some good footage. I was trying to do like a low shot where I was coming backwards, and when I tried to stop the drone, I went right into a bush. So my tip for the day is, if you have a drone, just don't fly it when you don't have GPS, because you don't know what's gonna happen.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. that we just met the other night.